I would like to state on the record that this bill is for the benefit of all of Mindanao and also our country. Why? Because we, the House of Representatives, are heavily invested in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. We have allocated 70 billion pesos per year for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region to develop and allow peace to thrive. 70 billion pesos per year, that's what? Times 6. 420 billion pesos to date. And are we going to let that for waste? Because we don't want them to allow themselves to fix whatever problems they have inside their autonomous region? I believe it is the will of our leadership and the will of the majority of this 19th Congress to ensure that Mindanao remains peaceful.